Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some deals going on at Walgreens. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos that you might want to go and check out. We have fantastic deals on storage totes right now going on at Dollar General. We have new coupons, glitches, freebies, 90% off clearance, 85% off food run deals. We also have a 3-day sale going on. We've got some money-making deals included in that video. Plus, I just uploaded our 5 off $25 scenarios earlier today. Now, yesterday, I also uploaded a video going over some deals at Family Dollar. We do have some run glitches and freebies that you might want to go and check out. And finally, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Walgreens. We have some really good clearance deals, plus a few coupon matchups where we are saving up to 85% off. Now, before we take a look at these items, I do want to remind you all, some of these items are clearance items, so you may not find them at all stores. So for me, what I decided to do was I pulled up my Walgreens app, I searched up the specific item, pulled it up, and then if you scroll down, you can actually check the inventory at other stores. Now, is the inventory always correct? No. But it will give you a good idea of which stores you should go to and which stores might be completely out of stock. And for the most part, what I am seeing, a lot of these items are still out there at a lot of stores. So that is the reason why I wanted to go ahead and share these deals with you all. All right, so first up, we have several Dove hair care products. The Dove hair care products are on sale right now. Buy one, get one half off. Here we have the Dove Hair Therapy Shampoo Breakage Remedy. We also have the conditioner. Both of those are priced at $2.29. After the sale, you're paying $3.43 for two. Now, we also have the Dove Hair Therapy Shampoo Rescue and Protect. Those are also priced at $2.29. And next up, we also have the Dove Hair Therapy Shampoo Hydration Spa. $2.29. Pick up two. You're paying $3.43 for two. Now, here's another one. We have the Dove Hair Therapy Shampoo Strength and Fullness Boost. Again, priced at $2.29. Buy one, get one half off. We also have the Dove Hair Therapy Conditioner Strength and Fullness Boost. Again, at $2.29. Here's one more for you. We have the Dove Hair Therapy Serum and Conditioner Rescue and Protect. Again, priced at $2.29. You can mix and match. Pay $3.43 for two. Here we have the Dove Shampoo Endless Waves 12-ounce bottles. These are priced at $3.29. Buy one, get one half off. You're paying $4.93 for two. And then we also have the Dove Endless Waves Conditioner 12-ounce bottles. These are just 99 cents right now. So pay $1.48 for two. And then here's another really awesome find. We have the nice premium extra virgin olive oil 16.9 fluid ounce bottles on clearance right now for just $1.49. Regular price is $6.29. So fantastic savings. All right, now moving right along, we're going to also take a look at a few coupon matchups that I just thought were really good deals, especially with Christmas right around the corner. So here we have a 4-off-1 digital coupon on the Soap and Glory gift sets. If you want to pick up the Soap and Glory Play a Little Pink original gift set, these are priced at $9.10 right now. So after the coupon, you're paying $5.10 for one. If you want to go ahead and take advantage of that sale, they are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. After the coupon, you're paying $9.65 for two. All right, next up, we have a 5-off-1 digital coupon on the number 7 gift set. So if you want to pick up the number 7 Radiance Trio gift set, these are priced at $12 right now, normally $20. So pick one up, use the coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7 for one. And these are also on sale. Buy one, get one half off. So if you want to pick up two, use the coupon. You're going to pay $13 for two. All right, next up, this will be a great stocking stuffer. We have a 12-off 2 digital coupon on the Olay products. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the Olay Firming Night Cream. These are priced at $10.99 each, but they are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $4.48 for two. Now, if you all do this as a pickup order or a ship-to-store order, do not forget about the promo codes GIFT15 and WAG10. Plug those in, and that way you'll get an additional savings. And again, don't forget about our monthly booster. For when you spend $40, you're going to earn back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. And from my understanding, these are reusable, so we can use them as many times as we need to. Now, I also wanted to mention that I did upload a video last week going over some more really easy Walgreens deals, and those deals you can still do this week. Some of them were clearance items, so they may be a little bit harder to find, but definitely go check them out. That way you don't miss out on these deals. I had several people asking me about the battery deal. That is where you can find the information on that deal. Now, also, we did have a toothbrush deal included in that video. A $30 off one digital coupon showed up on our accounts for a little while, but eventually they did take that down. But we do still have that $25 off one digital coupon, and as far as I can tell, this deal is still a go. The item is still on sale. The same promotions are there. So if you missed out on this deal last week, make sure that you double check your store. I know for me at least, my stores sold out super fast last week, and I still have that $25 coupon on my account. So I went in, I checked this morning, and lo and behold, they have restocked. So if you had the same issue last week, make sure that you double check your stores this week. Hopefully, fingers crossed, you guys can get in on that deal. Now, before I let y'all go, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to an amazing friend, Deborah Williams-Buss. She is the one that found all of those clearance items and sent them in so that I could share them with you all. So again, a huge shout out and thank you. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy awesome deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.